Well, I'll tell you what, I'll choose you for it.
Okay. Okay. I'll choose you. What do you want?
Odds.
I want evens.
Good.
You got odds.
You got even.
Right. Ready.
For the apartment.
One, two, three.
Shoot! Mine!
Right hand, index finger up, and you gotta poke the other person.
Never back down.
And then she does 2 push-ups. I kiss my breath. Ladies, do right hand, to the left hand. Go same partner. Go around on each side. Go ahead. That side. Bounce. You can only touch her hands. You can only touch her hands. And we're fighting for position. Over here.
Let's go ahead and oh god.
So if she touches the ground or moves her feet, I win.
Okay, well she just recently got a cortisol shot. This is unfair. Take the eye.
So she wins. I did 2 push-ups.
What?
Ready? Go. Hey, you can play 3 rounds of that. Find your opponents after the first round.
Shoulders, knees, toes, head, knees, head, knees, shoulders, toes, head, knees, ball. Shoulders, knees, toes, head, knees, head, knees, shoulders, toes, head, knees, ball.
2, 1, go.
Let's go, Ingrid.
2, 1, go.
Let's go, Ingrid. You called it.
Oh wait, I did. You got it. Paint it. I got it. And then when I have to drop down,
Then I got it. Okay.
hit it up to the top.
Hit it real quick. Yeah. Wait, I have to do it. Yes! Wait. Yes! The wind is settled. The wind is settled. Go, guys!
Daddy, can you take me a picture on it?
Climb on it for a second. All right. Thanks, buddy.
Only I can have a cheese stick. That is a cheese stick. No, I'm working on.
There's 2 lanes. There's 2 lanes. Is that a breakdance move? Nice jump. And then you can head back. And we do have another plank to go. After your big jump, get ready for a second plank. Nice. Nice. Oh, all right.